Hey, REDI students, I just wanted to do a quick demo of how we can use VS Code auto formatting to help us format our HTML and JavaScript correctly and help find bugs. So we have some HTML here. You can see that there's it's just not indented properly. There's a space here. This stuff should all be indented differently. So basically you can do hold Command Shift P to bring up the Actions menu and then type in Format Document, and then boom. Now everything gets laid out properly, and we can see already some errors. Like there's a paragraph tag here that's opened, but it's never closed. Oh, we don't need that paragraph tag. Let's delete it and then run the formatter again. Oh, boom, everything is in place and looking correctly. Now I'm going to go over to JavaScript, same deal. So we have a JavaScript file here. Looking through, we can already see there's some errors, but let's see what happens when we format it. Alright, so now it's a little more obvious that this array is an array of objects, and objects, keys, everything is indented. We have a function here. Okay, we have a for loop, we can see, but we see that this function is indented, right? So it means we never closed our for loop. Looks like we forgot to close a for loop. Let's add that and then format again. Now you see, after formatting, that the indentation is all correct and we remembered to close off our for loop. Looks like that might happen again down here. Boom, nice. So we can find errors simply by maintaining really nice formatting in all of our documents with the proper indentation. Anyway, thank you.